Hey guys, what's happening? How to send crypto from Kraken to Tangem wallet. So go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom right here. And then select the crypto that you want to send, right? Let's say for example, I want to send Ethereum, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit withdraw. And as you can see right here, I don't have enough money to withdraw to another wallet. So I'm gonna select, let's say, fetch AI, right? And under the balance, you can see deposit, withdraw, hit withdraw, and enter the amount basically. Right, let's say one buck, like $1. And I'm gonna add new address right here. You're gonna see under the $1 right here, add new address. If you don't have an address, just go ahead and hit add new address, and then hit get started, follow the screen, and then go and add the new address. You're gonna go ahead exactly to your Tangem wallet, right? And select the crypto that you want to receive, right? And then basically they will generate an address for you to copy, and that address will be used to send the crypto from Kraken to Tangem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.